Welcome back. Now news from sports. India football team is set to take on Oman in an international friendly on Thursday afternoon. National coach Savio Madeira has opted to rest star strikers Sunil Chhetri along with Lalrindinka Ralte and defender Nirmal Chhetri. The friendly is part of India's preparation for the AFC Challenge Cup, and Savio Madeira is looking to experiment with his bench strength.
India is set to take on a superior ranked Oman in an international friendly on Thursday at Muscat. India coach Savio Madeira has decided to rest AIFF's Player of the Year Sunil Chhetri, midfield playmaker Lalrindinka Ralte and stopper back Nirmal Chhetri. But Madeira is confident of the youngsters and bench strength. Savio told AIFF's website, he says, and I quote, "We have plenty of young talented players who are eager to perform at the big stage. Our emphasis would be to find the right mix of players keeping our future endeavours in mind." India will have a big task on their hands as they are up against Oman, who are ranked 95th in the FIFA rankings, while India lie in 154th position. Coach Savio is already short of strike force, with JJ advised 8 weeks rest and Sunil Chhetri being rested. In their absence, Sushil Kumar, youngster Sabit and Goa's Joki Abranches will hope to better India's record of 3 goals in 4 matches against Oman in their past meetings. Defensively, Govardhan Singh, Samir Naik and co. will have to make sure they do not let Oman add to their tally of 10 goals against India in their previous 4 meetings. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Mallikarjun College won the Varsity Women's Cricket Championship on Wednesday, powered by Goa State player Bharti Gaonkar's 81 runs and 4 wickets. Mallikarjun posted a total of 145 for 7 and the St. Xavier's girls found the going tough. The Concord-based college won comfortably by 46 runs as they held St. Xavier's at 99 for 9 in their 20 overs. Bharti Gaonkar picked up the Player of the Match and the Player of the Series awards for her consistent performance in the tournament.
Batting first, Mallikarjun posted a challenging score of 145 for 7 in their allotted 20 overs. State senior cricket team player Bharti Gaonkar scored what would end up being a match-winning knock of 81. All the batsmen played around the Goa player and supported her ably, but the Xavier's bowling was wavered and conceded far too many extras in their innings as well. LC Fernandez though returned with figures of 3 for 22, while Pradnya Maulinkar picked up 2 wickets for 27 runs. In reply, the Xavier's girls never looked in the hunt, losing wickets at regular intervals and with that losing the momentum. 7 of the 11 Mallikarjun players are state baseball players, and coach Savio Letao credits this background to the unity of the team. St. Xavier's College managed only 99 for the loss of 9 wickets in their reply, and Mallikarjun were crowned varsity champs. Bharti Gaonkar once again playing chief tormentor, bagging golden figures of 4 wickets for 13 runs. Principal of Mallikarjun was the chief guest for the prize distribution, along with Goa University's Physical Education Director Milton Fernandez and organizer Datta Bedkar. And St. Xavier College's Jocelyn D'Souza gave away the prizes to the winners and the runners-up. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Ferrari from Talegaon.
Host Goa came out on top by a big margin in the West Zone competition in the 34th Sub-Junior National Football Championship for Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. Madhya Pradesh was the second place team in the league. Both these teams have qualified for the national round to be hosted by Goa itself next month. The tournament is organized by Coca-Cola India and in association with All India Football Federation.
With only 2 teams from each zone qualifying for the national round, the final round matches generated some interest. Goa were the outright favourites and did not do any harm to their reputation as the host thrashed Maharashtra by 11 goals to 1. The other team to qualify was Madhya Pradesh with a 3-0 victory over Rajasthan. Goa's in-form player Stani Braganza netted 5 goals as Goa topped the group with a 100% record. Goa led 8-0 at halftime. Here are some highlights. This team of young Goans under coach Sebi Norona will now play in the national round for the Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. They will have home advantage as the tournament will be conducted here itself from March 8th. Our reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us @PrudentGoa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.